Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, and I'm very happy about that. And right now, we're just headed to work on the ZX6 Kawasaki. So, as always, thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoy this ride. It's a beautiful morning. Beautiful day here. It's supposed to be, yeah, as I said, today's Friday. It's supposed to be clear all weekend. And like highs of 82. So I'm very happy about that. Probably gonna get some good riding in this weekend. Truck was a little close. Yeah, there he goes again. Just drifting into the bike lane. That's what we call here a terrible driver. Another bike, 2 bikes. Awesome stuff. Oh, there we go. That's how you do it. Yeah, I've been riding the Buddy the past few days, and this thing feels a little bit different in comparison. Feels quite a bit heavier and so much more, I should say, use the word nimble or twitchy. But yeah, it's a Ninja, so I guess that's what they do. We're starting to get warmed up. We're just now at 150 degrees on the bike. That's Fahrenheit. And this thing just doesn't warm up until a little bit later. Usually around 160 or so. But yeah, it sounded pretty good after its oil change. These are kind of cool. I like these new Santa Fe's. I like the brand new Hyundais. Boy, Hyundai's come a long way, haven't they? When I was like in school, you could get Hyundais for like $3,000 to $5,000. And I sometimes like to watch car reviews, and they're like, "Oh yeah, the new Hyundai, it's top of the line, 78,000." I'm like, wow. What happened? still look like nice cars nonetheless. I think what's going on is I need to increase my steering dampener. I haven't looked at it recently. What are we at? Oh, that's why. I was wondering why this thing's so twitchy. We're at, out of 20, we're at 3. So we'll go 4 and then 5. Just kind of gradually go up until we find something that works. I was wondering why it was so twitchy. Oh my god. Is this guy just gonna walk it out in front of traffic? Oh wow, this instantly feels better. Yeah, we're on 4 now. I think I usually run like 5. That was a huge difference. Neat color on those new Chevys. I like these new Chevys. Looks like they hired someone to do all their new designing and stuff. Oh, it looks like this 18-wheeler might be parked in the lane that we're trying to turn left on. So let's see if I can get around that. Good afternoon, everyone, and hey, welcome back to the channel. Just riding home, and today's ride of choice is the Kawasaki zx6r. So we're just going to be taking a right here and going through town. Looks like it's clear. And yeah, a little Friday commute here. Just gonna be riding home, but geez Louise, look at all this traffic. Hopefully I don't get caught at too many red lights. We'll get through it. Got about 10 seconds for this light cycle, and we'll be good to go. Oh, what do we got up here? The Peace Vigil. The Peace Vigil. Oh, that was exciting. You see how dangerous that bike lane is? Do you see what just happened? Or that car turned in front of that bicycle? Yeah, this bicycle lane is insane. I don't think it really makes anything better. If I was a bicyclist, I just want to bike in the street. He's a good boy. There's a good dog. Just applying a little bit of rear brake. There we go. Okay, 6th gear, 35 miles an hour. We're just sitting at about 3,200 RPMs. Pretty sweet. No hiccuping at all in 6th. Look how much room that needle has to go up.